Hello students, welcome to part 4 of the series of mensuration for class 8. There is a slight addition to this formula board today. You have to remember this formula, which is for the volume 1 liter equal 1000 centimeter cube, which is 0.001 meter cube. Let's start with the first problem today. Area of a trapezium is 384 centimeters square. Its parallel sides are in the ratio of 1:3 and the perpendicular distance between them is 12 centimeter. Find the length of each of the parallel sides. So we know there is one set of parallel sides in a trapezium and the perpendicular distance between them is given to be 12 centimeter. The lengths of the sides of the trapezium are not given, only their ratio. The ratio of the lengths is given as 1:3 and the area is given. So since the ratio is given as 1:3, we can take the first side of the trapezium to be x and second side therefore will be 3x since their ratio is 1:3. Now we know the area of a trapezium. What is the formula of area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into the height. So area equals half into sum of the parallel sides. So what are our sides? X and 3x into the height. What is the height given? Height given is 12 centimeters. We also have the area as 384. So 384 equals half into x plus 3x is 4x into 12. If you do the calculation, you get x as 16 centimeters. Therefore, 3x will be 16 into 3, which is 48 centimeters. So we got the lengths of the sides as 16 centimeters and 48 centimeters. The next problem is, if an edge of a cube is tripled, its volume becomes dash. What is the volume of a cube given by? Volume is equal to side cube. Volume is equal to side cube. Here it is given, side is tripled, so the new volume will be, instead of s we write 3s whole thing cube, which is equal to 3 cube into s cube. What is 3 cube? 27. S cube. What is s cube? S cube is our original volume. If an edge of a cube is tripled, its volume becomes 27 times the original volume. The next question is, the base of a parallelogram is twice its height if the area is 867 centimeters square. Find the height and the base of the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. So area of the parallelogram is given by base into height. Here it is said the base is 3 times the height. So the area will be 3h into h. Area is given as 867 equal to 3h square. So h square will be equal to 867 by 3, which is equal to 289. H will be equal to square root of 289, which is 17 centimeter. Therefore, base will be 3 times of 17. Base will be 3 times of 17, which is 51 centimeters. So this is the end of part 4 of our series for mensuration. I'll be back with a few more problems, some important ones. Till then, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.